Hi guys, today we will talk about how to delete your account after that on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. And you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on personal details, and you come to a next window here, and you just click here on personal details, and it's going to take you to next window. You just click here on this account ownership and control. You will click, and you click here on memorialization, and you come here, you click here on your account, then you come here to delete. After that you will click here, and you click here on next, and it's going to add video. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.